are pleased to show you the 2018 Genesis. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, rear window defroster, CD player, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, power windows, compass, trip computer, heated front seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.